Hello friends, my name is Anuja and I am a certified medical coder. In today's video, I am going to review one of the most renowned medical coding institutes to help you decide whether you should begin your CPC exam preparation journey with them. But before I jump into the actual review, I want to share the 10 important points that I will consider in this review series. This will help you understand exactly what matters when choosing the right institute. First, I will talk about the accreditation and recognition of the institution. Is it officially recognized? Is it aligned with industry standards like AAPC guidelines? Next, I will review whether the curriculum is updated and detailed. Does it cover the latest coding guidelines? Is it aligned with current CPC exam patterns? I will also evaluate the teacher's experience. Are they certified coders themselves? Do they have real industry exposure? I will also check whether they provide hands-on training, real-life case studies, and practice exercises as a part of curriculum. I will speak about the exam, CPC exam preparation, all support that you get from the institution, internship and job after completion of the course, access of updated coding books. If yes, for how long? Is it for a limited time or is it for a lifetime? Do they provide access to updating coding books? I will also be talking about delivery options, whether is it online, offline or hybrid. I will also analyze reviews from past students, whether they are successfully cleared the AAPC CPC exams. Finally, I will evaluate whether the course fee is justified, the duration is appropriate, flexible payment options are available. So now let's begin the review. Okay, so let's start with the review. We have IIM Skills. The CEO of this institute is Mr. Vaibhav Kakkar, and it offers medical coding course with AI. They are covering AI, which is one of the most advanced topic required today to be a medical coder, and which is a plus point. Their duration is for 3 months with 100% placement support. Okay, placement record is there. Okay, you can check out. Practical projects are there, live interactive classes, and also they are providing updated coding books like HIPICS code books and ICD 10 CM manual, which is very important in any medical coding institute. So this is one of the plus point. And here they are comparing with other medical coding institutes. Now let's check the course curriculum. Okay, they have updated curriculum. They cover everything which is aligned with AEPC. You can check it out by yourself. Student alumni reviews are also here. Okay, they are also helping you build a portfolio which will work as a proof of your expertise and skills and will be helpful further in the industry. So this is one of the advantage. Okay, they are providing you medical certificates as well. These certifications can add a strong value to your portfolio and create a positive impact on your career growth. So this is the advantage. You can check out the certificates. Okay, one-on-one mentors they have. So overall, this course seems to be very well aligned and very good with good reviews. Now let's rate this institute according to these parameters. Accreditation and recognition, I would rate it 1. Updated and comprehensive curriculum, yes, they cover everything which is aligned with APC, so it's a 1. Qualified and experienced instructors, they have one-on-one mentors, so it's a 1. Practical training and case studies, yes, they are providing CPC, CCS and CCA practical training, so it's a 1. Certification exam preparation support, they are making you prepare for APC and CPC exams, so it's a 1. Internship and job placement assistance they are giving, so 1 again. Access to updated coding books and software, they have updated coding books, HIPICS code books and ICD 10 CM manual, which is very important, so it's a 1. Flexible learning options, they are providing online or offline both, so it's a 1. Student reviews and success rates, they have listed alumni reviews of students, so it's a 1. Course fees, duration and payment options, course fees, duration and payment options, they have listed everything very well and it is well structured, so it's a 1. So overall ranking is 10 on 10, and I personally believe this course is unique in terms of its curriculum and opportunities it offers, and according to me it is definitely a go-to option for anyone who wants to enter in medical coding industry. You can check out the website to explore the course in details. They are covering all the important parameters and have 100% placement support as well. Thank you so much.